on 2 Saturdays of the month, we clean up the rivers. Very, very happy day. Sorry that you are wet today. So sorry.
I, Conrad Samba, solemnly pledge to respect and protect the environment, especially the rivers, streams and forests, and to refuse plastic, carry bags and bottles. I will not litter and will prevent others from littering. I will carry this message to my home, my neighbors, my city, and my state. Thank you. This contest saw 153 people sending 888 entries. We've got some wonderful slogans, and we will be hearing the 3 prize-winning entries. The 3rd prize winner is Mr. Ferdinand Rani. Are you here? Mr. Ferdinand Rani, yes, please come. His slogan reads like this: Plastic is choking me, love Shillong. Plastic is choking me, love Shillong. It's a very poignant, very subtle message. Well done, Ferdinand Rani. May I request our Chief Minister to kindly hand over the prize to the